Hello, I'm going to tell you a story about trains. Meet Thomas. He's Hello! But he's running a little late today. Tardy! This is the island of Sodor. It's at one end of my special universe.
Hello, fat face.
Disgraceful.
Five.
Who do we appreciate? Practicing your numbers, Gordon.
I'm counting how many
Subscribers I got.
What does that sign say?
Sorry for delays during repairs. We are making money off of this railway.
Now, please excuse me. I'm meeting
Ike Baldwin.
He's looking after us while
Fat Hat.
takes a much-needed...
Get out of my way! Unfinished business here! Get this confounded stuff off of me.
No, you get it off yourself.
At the other end of my universe, and hidden deep in a valley, is my hometown. Time shining.
This is your time shining.
Huh? Rail hog!
Meanwhile,
Pinchy, you captured the real me. I mean, that's beautiful. I could cry. Spludge.
Actually, it's a splatter. and dodge.
I don't flipping can.
I've come back to find a steam engine.
Oh, that's easy. Yeah, they're everywhere. Yeah, he came in.
Not the one I want.
This one is named Lee,
She escaped me once before.
and practically told me that I was too fat to fit on rails, and for that she shall be destroyed.
Destroy? Did you say destroy?
D-word.
Like hurt?
Destroy.
I can do whatever I want. Whatever I want.
Whatever I want. Whatever I want. Whatever I want.
Pinchy, I hate it when you do that.
Ticket puncher. Check.
Aye.
All aboard!
Mustn't let my conducting skills get rusty.
Important day, Mr. C?
It is a very important day.
I'm going to the island of Sodor.
I hope your visit goes well, Mr. C.
I must be responsible, reliable, and... Don't tell me. Really useful. I knew that.
Diesel. Plan. With a pinch.
Here a pinch, there a pinch. I cracked myself up.
Did you get his present?
Here. I'm making him a friendship bracelet.
Out of shells.
Honey, that's beautiful.
Wobbly wheels.
Puffy pistons.
Wobbly wheels. Puffy pistons.
You, Thomas, are small. Small. Teeny weeny.
Why, you?
And I'm a big blue engine who knows everything.
Sprockets. Bossies.
Routine flyby, chaps. Hello.
The boss dumped sneezing powder everywhere.
Let's start laughing.
Did you mean to look like that?
No.
Neither did I.
This must be Diesel's doing.
Choo! My wife said she couldn't miss our little holiday. We'll telephone to make sure you have arrived. Signed, Sir Topham Hatt.
Where were you?
I'm banishing you to the Sodor realm.
And how is Lady Hat? Yes, sir, the 3 R's, reading, writing, and arithmetic. So who dropped the ball then?
Boing, 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 goes the basketball.
Oh, there you are. I'd like to have a nice cup of hot cocoa. Would you fellas care to join me? Well, I can understand that. What do you think?
Nope.
Why do you keep hitting him like that?
The peasant at the diner. He didn't pay his check.
meanwhile.
Come in. And join the party, Spludge.
Hooray! We're gonna have a party. I love parties.
Correction. Join the party that's over.
Pay attention to me, Mr. Stone. I need some coal.
Nah, I don't really feel like it.
Smile, you steamers. It's a sunny day. It's not sunny because Mr. C's not at the windmill. I looked.
I think his spot's all gone. And Diesel is after the lost engine.
And if he finds her, I fear that will destroy us all.
Then be scared, Toby. No!
Say it.
Now I'm going to look.
Let us get back to work. That's what he would want.
Meanwhile.
I think I'll try the celery.
If only it was that easy.
One last sun ray and one last sip of a summer Sunday. I think I'm a poet.
Yuck! He groaned.
How come you don't live in the valley?
I don't like trains.
But the trains come to Muffle Mountain.
To the other side. This side, there's neither sight nor sound of them.
You liar!
What's that noise?
The trains, I told you they talk. We're just too far away to hear what they're saying.
The railroad needs Lady, but I don't know her special secret. And I need to know it now more than ever.
Because of
Father?
No.
Brother?
No.
Golden fish?
No. Because of Lily.
Lily, where are we?
Mountain, Muffle.
It's getting windy up here.
Must find Grandpa.
Tom is mine.
Oh, come on!
How did this? How did this happen? Meanwhile.
We're on the island of Sodor.
Aha! There's the blue puffball! Splodge! Come and destroy!
No, you do it yourself.
We don't like you.
Ah, who needs you, Splodge?
Watch out for the viaduct. It's very dangerous!
Now I'll get you!
No, you won't. We'll get the better of you.
Get back!
Duck, Pinchy! I like my lunch steamed!
Like steamed ham slow. Tom is mine.
What the?
Charge!
Nope.
Thomas makes it over the bridge just in time.
And then...
Bernard! I hate Bernard!
Oh, is it an ice cream? Ice cold. Hot?
And so we've come to the happy end of our story.